All right. So my first loop ever done, first cooling loop for a computer ever done is operating. We start here, the reservoir and the pump. Comes out of the pump, makes a 45 bend, comes over, a smooth 90-degree bend into the graphics card. Another smooth 90-degree bend into a radiator, back into the back out of this radiator. And this is the bend that I need to redo because you can see there's kind of a flat spot there, and there's also some bubbling on the underside of the curve. Then it goes down into the CPU, out of the CPU. And then the tubing that I had wasn't long enough, so I supplemented by creating a little 90-degree bend with the 4 fittings I think I used actually. And that comes down and around all the way down into the radiator. I also have a drain valve, so when I need to purge the system, and it goes back up there, comes back into the water pump right there. No leaks so far. Running for about 10 minutes. Most of the air is out of the system. Now to let it clean for 12 hours. Yeah, buddy.